Hello everyone, and welcome back to my video. In this video, I will show you how to automatically share posts using the 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐿 software. First, you need to open the software. Instead of selecting the messaging feature like last time, this time you'll select viral marketing and then choose share this post. Copy the link to the post or reel and paste it into this section. Prepare a list of usernames of the people you want to share this post with. If you want to share it with accompanying content, check this box and paste the content into this field. Select the list of accounts to be used for sharing and press start. You can now see the software automatically doing all the work for you. Your job is just to wait for the results. This is the result after the software finished running. You can see the video is displayed with the content, without being restricted like when you message a stranger. And here are the results after 15 minutes. The views went from 19 to 51. That's 31 organic views in only about 10 minutes. Not a bad result, right? Contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram for more details. Alternatively, you can sign up using the link in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.